NeoMotion welcomes you. Today I want to tell you about how I record and process voice for video tutorials. I am not a specialist in sound recording, and if you can advise how to improve your voice in post-processing, I will be very grateful to you. For voice recording, I use an Audio-TECHNIca AT2020 USB Plus microphone. This microphone is an excellent ratio of sound quality to price and can be used as a good starting point. It is also worth noting that he has a very high sensitivity. I now use a microphone without a pop-up filter, so I have to eliminate a few more noise than with it. For recording and processing sound, I use the program Adobe Audition. After I recorded the voice, I capture and eliminate loud excess sounds. There are usually few of them. To do this, there are hotkeys Shift+P, Ctrl+Shift+P. If you do not want to use keyboard shortcuts, these processes can be found in Effects, Noise Reduction. Next, I eliminate small noises with the noise using the Light Noise Reduction preset. If you use the Heavy Noise Reduction preset, then at the beginning of your speech there will be a very ugly sound transition. Next, I increase the overall level of the track through Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Normalize. I use the value of 90%. Then apply Effects, Filter and EQ Parametric Equalizer with the Vocal Enhancer preset. He muffles the middle frequencies a little and picks up the highs and makes the voice more expressive. Then I apply Normalize again. And in the end, I set the maximum sound level for the entire track through Effects, Amplitude and Compression, Hard Limiter, with the limit to -6 dB preset. Thus, your entire soundtrack will be of uniform volume without peaks, which are very unpleasant for listening. If this video was useful to you, I am very happy. Do not forget to subscribe and like if you want to follow our next lessons for you. See you!